guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Esther. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful unit from Luvme Hair. As always, I love sharing with you guys all the products that I receive in my box in hopes that you guys receive the same exact thing. Now this unit is stunning, you guys. It is a loose body and also the lace is 7x6 closure. It's a HD lace. I know not everyone loves closures, but me personally, I do. I don't care to be gluing my units down all the time, and I love a throw on and go nowadays. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the parting space. This unit does come already, the knots are already bleached, the lace is already plucked. The most that you're gonna do honestly is just apply powder, and obviously you guys can see the lace is already cut, so it's the perfect throw on beginner friendly wig. So if you're new to wigs and you're looking for something to invest in, Luvme Hair has one of the best units. I can personally say that because I've bought Luvme Hair with my own money, and I've done a few reviews on them on this channel, but yeah, they have the best, hands down. Inside of this unit, it does come with an adjustable strap, and I think it also came with a comb all the way at the bottom. It doesn't come with combs on the side. Now, personally, I don't like combs on the side. I notice I always cut them off. So if you like combs on the side, you can just add them yourself. It's not really that hard, but personally, I hate them. I hate them, girl. I hate them. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for not putting combs on this unit, y'all. It saved me a lot of time. So I did want to show you guys how the lace looked after I applied powder on it, and it just looks so much more natural. So because I care about adding layers to this unit, that's what I'm doing here. You don't have to add layers if you don't want to. In fact, the inches to this unit is 18 inches, but after adding layers, I'm pretty sure I went from 18 to 16 real quick, or maybe 14, but girl, this unit is stunning. Like, after adding layers, I felt like it looked like a sewing. I mean, yeah, girl, I had to call Jane. I was like, girl, why does this look like a sewing? She said, yeah, it really does look like a full sewing. It is so pretty, and I love the fact that Luvme Hair units take heat pretty good for the most part. I've rocked Luvme Hair unit for a full month straight, and it still be looking good. You just have to make sure you apply heat protecting spray, wash the unit, you know, take care of it really well, and it's gonna last you at least a month or two. You know what I'm saying? So as always, I'm gonna have all the details, all the specs of this unit in the description box. If I have any discount codes, always check the description box before purchasing any units from any of my videos, so you guys can see whether you can save some money. But y'all, look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, just stunning. Very, very, very gorgeous. And I felt like the unit is pretty full too. I'm obsessed with how the curls were looking, very bouncy. Oh, I'm obsessed. So what I end up doing though, it's a little bit farther down in this video. I just applied powder on the lace a little bit more, and then I also kind of glued it down. Not heavily though. I think I used my Got To Be spray, and I like just sprayed the product on my finger, and then I placed it on the lace from my finger. So I really didn't go super heavy-handed with the spray at all. So I just melted it down pretty much. Nothing crazy, but that is it for my rambling. I'm gonna pop some music, you guys. As always, I love y'all so much. Now, Penasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.